Welcome to Moto Drive USA. This is the 2026 MG ZS, and it might just be the smartest budget SUV you can buy right now. MG's been quietly climbing the ranks, and with this new ZS, they're making a statement. It's still affordable, but now it looks and feels like something way more premium. Let's start with the design. It's sharper, cleaner, and more mature than the outgoing model. Up front, there's a new grille that feels more European, full LED headlights as standard, and the whole thing just looks tighter. There's no unnecessary chrome, it's gone for a more modern, minimalist look. The rear has also had a refresh, with a sleeker tail light design and a slightly wider stance. It's subtle, but effective. Now under the hood, depending on the market, you've got two main options: a 1.5-liter petrol engine or a fully electric version. The petrol model is still ideal for budget-conscious buyers, with enough power for daily driving and solid fuel economy. But the real star is the updated EV model. The 2026 ZS EV now boasts a bigger 54 kWh battery with an improved range of up to 400 kilometers. That's 250 miles in the real world. MG's also upgraded the charging speed, so now you can fast charge from 10 to 80% in under 40 minutes, which is impressive at this price point. Step inside, and this is where MG's really stepped up. The interior looks way more refined. There's soft touch materials in all the right places, and the layout is clean and driver-focused. There's a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with improved graphics and faster response. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, and finally, yes, they've fixed the old laggy software that everyone complained about. Space-wise, it's still super practical. You get a generous 448 liters of boot space, loads of headroom in the back, and ISOFIX points for families. It's a compact SUV, but it doesn't feel cramped, even on longer journeys. On the road, the ZS is easygoing. It's not pretending to be sporty, but it's smooth, comfortable, and really well insulated for a car in this price bracket. The steering is light, visibility is excellent, and the suspension's been retuned slightly for better ride comfort. It's the kind of car that just quietly gets the job done without fuss. Safety tech? MG's gone all in. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, all standard. It's a big step forward in terms of active safety, especially considering this is still one of the most affordable crossovers on the market. Now here's the real kicker: the price. Depending on where you are, the petrol version still starts around the $20,000 mark, while the EV version, fully loaded, is just under $30,000. Factor in the 7-year warranty, and it's honestly a compelling package. The MG ZS used to be a budget option with compromises. But the 2026 version? It feels like it's grown up. You're getting solid design, great tech, usable EV range, and practicality, all without breaking the bank. If you're shopping for a small SUV, whether it's your first car, a family runabout, or even a second EV for the household, the new ZS absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the 2026 MG ZS down in the comments, and if you'd take it over something like a Kona or a Yaris Cross. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.